Hello everyone. In the previous video we have seen how to set the base URL. In this video we'll see how to use path parameters. So let's get started. So in order to use the path parameters, you can do it in two ways. Either you can use it as key value pair, or you can use it as a JSON object. We'll see both of them. So if we go by the documentation, right, we can see how we have used here. Let's say this is the path parameter user ID, and you have to give the value for that with the help of a method called withPathParams. Okay, similarly if there are multiple, you can give the path parameters by calling this method multiple times, right? And the second method is you can pass it as a JSON object also. So both of these you can pass it as a JSON object. So let us see practically. So I have written two methods. First we'll see the first method to pass it as a single path parameter. I'll say spec, and then I'll say dot, I'll say get, and what is that method? I'll say, let's take this slash API slash users and slash API slash users, and this is our path parameter, and we have to define the value for that. I'll say with path params, and I'll say what is that variable. We'll just copy that variable and we'll provide the value. I'll say 1. Okay, and then I'll say expect status as 200. Okay, right, this is our first test case. Let us try to run this. Yes, this test case pass. Now we'll go for second method. Here same test case, we'll just change a little bit. Instead of using key value pair, we can pass it as a JSON object. So I'll just change it to JSON object. That I'll done. So if you just format this, right, we are good. So it's a JSON object. Let's try to run both of them. So both of them are passed. So similarly, if we have multiple path parameters, you can just copy this and you can paste and you can give as you wish, like whatever variables you want after defining in the base URL. Okay, that's it in this video. Maybe we'll meet in the next further videos. Thank you.